Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much again for stopping. If you haven't watched today's series, because today is a beginner makeup series, so I'm basically going to be sharing with you my foundation routine, how to highlight and contour, how to draw your brows again in 2020, and then how to just basically bring your makeup look together. So this particular video is on how to draw your brows after foundation. I find this particular method a lot easier than drawing my brows before my makeup, because I don't know, so doing this also helps to give you that really natural brows, because you already have products on your brows. The intensity of pencil will come out more because it has a base now to come out. It's just like when you're painting or when you're, I don't know what to describe it with, but if you're drawing it on your natural brows, because it's your skin, it's going to feel like crayon and you have to press more to get the product to really show. But with this method, doing your foundation and then drawing your brows right after, because you already have foundation on your brow and on your skin, it serves as a base, so just a tiny bit goes a long way, so you don't need to press that much. So enough talking, let's get into the video. Please subscribe to this video if you're enjoying this type of series. Let me know down below so I'll make more. First thing you want to do is to draw your brows upwards, and it's a lot faster. You start from the beginning of your brows. That's basically this part of your nose. You just take it up, and that's where your brows should start from. Can you see I'm not even pressing anything, and it's really coming out. Next, I'm gonna draw. So you can brush your hair down and do it, but I just like to have my hair like this way so I can use it as a guide. Okay, so once I've done this, you can see it's just basically two lines and it already looks full, but I can still see like some sparse areas. So what I like to do is then go in and fill it light-handedly. Yeah, especially the tail. I like the tail being darker than the beginning, just to have that gradient effect. And I'm just gonna fill in this area because I can see like a spot as if I'm bowed. Next thing I like to do is to just lightly stroke underneath it, because the down there's really no hair, so I'm just using it to fill in that sparse area. So that's it. I'm not going to fill it that much, and I'll just brush it in to blend everything together. One thing again with this method is because it looks so perfect, you don't need to clean it. I can literally just do the other brows and then be on my way out. But just to be extra, I like to clean my brows, and to do that, sorry, I forgot to blend the beginning part. I like to use my foundation or any concealer that works for you. So I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer in Fawn to clean underneath my brows. So you use your exact shade to clean the inner and the outer corner, and then use the shade lighter to clean the arc of your brows. I'll show you guys in a bit. Now you want to have big blending brush like this on hand, and this is basically to blend out the concealer. I'll be using a lighter concealer, which is the Nuban Beauty one, and I'll just take a bit of that and put it at the back of my palm. I'll be using that to clean my arc. So you can either leave it like this, but another step that I like to take just to make sure that everything is neat, especially because I haven't set my face yet, I like to go in and use my foundation and clean the top of my brows. But you can see how neat it already looks, so you don't really need to do this step. You can actually skip it, but just showing you guys the full process. final step is to use a brow gel rather, and just comb through it, just to lift your brows and make sure that they don't move. Just in case somebody mistakenly brushes against your brow, the brow hair will still be in place without it now coming to your concealer area. So just like to do that. I'm going to go ahead and quickly so guys, this is the finished eyebrows. They don't have to be exactly like twins. If your brows are twins, knock yourself out, but mine aren't, so sometimes they may fluctuate. One might be slightly higher, just so you guys get the basic concept. And this is basically it. If you enjoyed it and you found this eyebrow tutorial after your foundation or after your powder helpful, then let me know down below. Comment, like this video, share, and watch the videos to the end, and subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed it.